Right guys, I'm doing this video because of the typhoon that's approaching, and I just want to show you what it's like before the typhoon, because if you remember, we not that long ago had a flood, and unfortunately we lost about 80% of our stuff. And now there's a massive typhoon going to hit Bicol. It's coming straight over us. Now originally they said 93 mile an hour winds. Now they're predicting over 100 mile an hour winds. Torrential rain, tropical rain with it, whatever, however you want to put it. And I don't think anybody's taking it very seriously, guys. As you can see, life's pretty much going on as normal. They've not bothered opening up here. Mel's been selling food over here to earn a little bit extra money. She's not opening today. The wind, as you can see by the trees, is starting to get stronger. Some people are on the roofs. Now, as you probably know, I live in a squatter area. When I come to the Philippines, I come with £6,000 savings, and my monthly rental income was £450. That's all. It's gone up a little bit since, but I only put it up a little bit because my tenants, if I put it up a lot, they're going to leave, and they're great tenants. The thing with renting your house out is, it's alright, you know, putting it on for top market value, but if you get the wrong people in and they're only in for 6 months, a year, you're probably going to spend £3,000 to repair it, to get it rentable again. Now, there's a guy on the roof there, look, nailing it. I think this place, especially where I'm going to show you, is going to be destroyed. Because last time there was a typhoon, we were in the worst one. We were in her mum's house, where they're in now. And I was up all night trying to hold the bit of roof on because I hadn't put the 3rd floor on at that point. And it was, do you know what? In a sick way, it was exciting, but it was scary at the same time. Now look at these guys. Now last typhoon, these houses here, those houses here, but they're empty now because the houses were destroyed. Look at them. Do you think these are going to last the typhoon? Now I'm going to do a part 2 after the typhoon. But what you got to remember, guys, is the last time we had a bad typhoon, and the winds are going to be higher than what they were this time, than what they were last time. The electric was off for nearly 3 weeks. Well, 2.5 weeks, something like that. So, look at this. This is the worst part. These are very, very poor. Kids are walking around with... I can't video the kids. And what happened was, as you can see, they just rebuilt it again with tin and what have you. It's pretty bad. So as you can see, this is a lot better since the last typhoon, but it's still not good. And they're saying, I've just been into Centro, they're saying that it's going to flood. If it floods, I'm done, guys. I'm seriously done. I'm done in the Philippines. I'm going. Oh, what about? No, don't ask questions like that because it'll just get you blocked. Hi. I'm burnt out, mate. I'm burnt out. You know, after the last flood, it just wiped the little bit left I had to save. Not the original savings, I had a bit of savings still. Because unlike Filipinos, or Filipinas, and this isn't disrespectful, on the whole, they don't save. They spend for the day and they'll cross that bridge when they come to it. Well, I've never been like that. you know, you're going to get called curry pot and stuff because you won't spend money on this, but no, I won't, because unless it's necessary, them savings have to be there for like a time like this. Although, forget it, our roof blows off and that's me done. It's me done. I have nothing left. I've got just over 2 years to my pension, you know. And this isn't a begging video for the trolls out there. I'm not asking for nothing, don't expect nothing, never will ask for nothing. If you look below my videos, I've removed all the stuff that said if you want to help my channel, all it gets me is I lose subscribers, I lose views. I mean, I looked at my analytics the other day, and now 56% of people that look at my videos aren't subscribed. 56%. I was at high, 64. No, 64%. Apologies. 64% weren't subscribed. And then I've had enough. I'm leaving the Philippines. Look at the amount of views I got. And if I was a suspicious person, I'd be thinking, oh, all them people that wouldn't normally watch your videos, they want to see if you're going. I knew something is going. Well, keep tuned, guys, because this Chris is totally burnt out, guys. Totally burnt out. I hope it doesn't flood. But if it does, I don't know what to do anymore. You know, 80% of our stuff was destroyed, damaged beyond repair, and the stuff we've managed to save, fridge, freezer, fridge and that, they're on the last legs. They ain't gonna last long. They're certainly not gonna last to my pension if I was here. Welcome to the Philippines. Now Cambodia, on the other hand, you know, there's lots of people saying, oh, I'm retiring, Chris, I'm coming to the Philippines. Consider Cambodia as well. I'm not saying the Philippines is bad. I love the Philippines, I love Naga. But Cambodia, if you look into it, is at least as good an option, if not a little bit better. Cost of living's pretty much the same as the Philippines. Apartments are really like Western standard for not a lot of money. And visa, your visa, 12-month rolling visa. You don't have to answer any questions. They don't ask you any questions. All they ask you is, how long do you want to stay? How long do you want your visa? And your visa's $290 a year, I believe, maybe $300 every year, guaranteed. Well, at this point in time, anyway, you know, things change, don't they? So that's video 1, guys. Video 2 is going to be showing you the devastation, because if it's worse than what it was before, it's okay. It's pointed at me. If it's worse than what it was before, this place around here is going to be flattened, absolutely flattened, and God knows what's going to happen to our house. But like I say, there isn't much to save really. If I think it's going to flood, I'll put the last few things we've got upstairs. But there again, if the roof blows off and it's monsoon type of rain, it's not going to really matter whether it's upstairs, downstairs. Cambodia doesn't have this. They don't have earthquakes. They don't have bad typhoons normally. Very rare, as the Philippines do. Earthquakes, typhoons, flooding. Excuse me. Thank you. That's one of the things you have to cope with if you come to the Philippines, whereas Cambodia, no, they don't have really lots of bad weather each year. Here, rainy season is pretty cruel. The only good thing is the rain is warm rain. It's not cold like if you were in the UK. So that's it, guys. I hope it's not going to be doom and gloom, and I'll speak to you again whenever that is, because the electricity is going to go off for a few weeks, and we'll see what happens. See you on the next one, guys.